I want to take a moment to talk to kids out there across Canada. I know that these past 6 months or so have been really difficult for all of you, but I know many of you had birthdays, milestones to celebrate during these past months that were really difficult and a lot less fun than usual. No families, no extended families, no parties, no friends. These are things that kids are struggling with in this time of COVID. This weekend is my dad's birthday, but it's also my son Xavier's 13th birthday. Turning 13 is a big moment where you get to become a teenager and all the responsibilities that come with it. But it's also a time where friends really matter. And not having a party is tough. But as families, as Canadians, and as kids, we need to keep doing our part to keep safe, to protect our grandparents, to make sure that we're slowing the spread of COVID-19. We've asked an awful lot of everyone across the country, especially kids. But I want you to know that we're going to continue asking a lot of you because I know you're capable of it. We're there for you. Make sure you're leaning on each other, but know that we all need to do our part to keep people safe, even when it's our special day.